Hi students, in previous classes we will discuss regarding the introduction of nuclear physics. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss it about basic properties of nucleus. Okay, some basic properties of nucleus, like first one, nuclear size. That means radius of atomic nuclei in order of 10 to the power of minus 14 meters to 10 to the power of minus 15 meters. Okay, nuclear radius 10,000 smaller. Okay, nucleus radius 10,000 smaller than atomic radius. Okay, the empirical formula for nuclear radius, capital R is, okay, capital R equal to R naught into a to the power of 1 by 3. Okay, to determine nuclear radius by using this formula, okay, capital R equal to R naught into a to the power of 1 by 3. In this equation, capital A equal to mass number and R naught value 1.3 into 10 to the power of minus 15 meters, okay, equal to 1.3 fermions. 1 fermion equal to 10 to the power of minus 15 meters. Okay, next to nuclear charge. We know that atomic nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. Proton is a positively charged particle, neutron is a negatively charged particle. Okay, each proton positive charge of 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Okay, the the nuclear charge is Ze. Okay, the nuclear charge is Ze. Okay, Z is a atomic number. Okay, Z is a atomic number. Z is a atomic number. Capital is a charge of each proton. Okay, the value of Z is known from X-ray scattering experiment. Okay, Z is known from X-ray scattering experiment and alpha particle scattering experiment. Okay, next to nuclear mass. The mass of nucleus is sum of masses of protons, sum of masses of the neutrons and protons contained in it. Okay, then the mass of the nucleus should be Z into m suffix p plus n m suffix n. Okay, in this equation m suffix p equal to mass of proton, m suffix n equal to mass of neutron. Okay, nuclear mass accurately measured from mass spectrometer. Okay, next one important nuclear density rho suffix n can be calculated from this equation. Okay, rho suffix n equal to nuclear mass by nuclear volume. Okay, nuclear density rho suffix n can be calculated from below equation. Okay, that is rho suffix n equal to nuclear mass by nuclear volume. Okay, nuclear mass equal to capital A m suffix n. Nuclear mass equal to capital A m suffix n, where capital A equal to mass number and m suffix n equal to mass of the nucleons. Nucleon is nothing but protons and neutrons in atomic nuclei. Okay, m suffix n equal to mass of the nucleons equal to mass of the nucleon equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27. 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. Okay, next to nuclear volume. Okay, nuclear volume equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Nuclear volume equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 into pi into, we know that capital R equal to R naught into a to the power of 1 by 3. R naught into a to the power of 1 by 3 whole power cube. Okay, next 4 by 3 pi R naught cube into capital A. Okay, therefore rho suffix n equal to a m suffix n by 4 by 3 pi r naught cube into capital A. Okay, numerator denominator capital A cancel. Okay, next to m suffix n equal to, okay, equal to m suffix n by 4 by 3 pi r naught cube. Okay, we know that mass of nucleons value 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27 by 4 by 3 pi into, what is R naught value? We know that 1.3 into 10 to the power of minus 15. Okay, whole cube. Next, rho suffix n equal to 1 point means to solve this term, okay, then we will get rho suffix n equal to 1.816 into 10 to the power of 17 kg meter minus 3. Okay, this is shows the nuclear density is independent of mass number. Okay, thank you.